Every September, anglers in the West get excited about grasshoppers. Like predictable mayfly hatches, the winds of September mean that large numbers of grasshoppers will be blown into the river, where trout will happily engulf them. On the Bow River, big trout hang tight to the edges, looking for these delectable terrestrials to fall haplessly into the water. The question is always, when will the topwater grasshopper bite happen? In order to achieve fishing success, smart fly fishers will use a two-fly rig composed of a grasshopper and a dropper tied to this pattern. Simon explains the setup we're using today to cover both the surface and subsurface bite.
So on the bow today, we're going to start off fishing what's called a hopper dropper. And that is a rig where you fish a kind of a hopper. It's a grasshopper, it could be basically a big floating foam dry fly. That is, A, fish could grab it, but B, also holds your fly at a depth you want. And hanging off that, I've got about 2.5, 3 foot of basically what's called a dropper and a heavy jig hook style nymph with a tungsten bead. And the idea is you throw this out and you float and you watch your hopper, and if a fish grabs the nymph, your hopper bobs under or twitches or moves in the current and you set the hook. But equally, a fish could grab this, and if you see a fish come up and grab that, then you obviously set the hook as well. We're looking for seams. We're looking to hit the water that changes currents, and always what the important thing to do, you want to make sure that this floats down roughly the same speed as the bubbles. Your nymph is doing all the work underneath it. Today we'll probably get most fish on the nymph, so I've got on a short 7.5 leader to 1X, so a very stout short leader, because there's a fair amount of wind resistance on this. That'll turn this over with ease, and then there's this dropper 2.5 to 3 feet down. And that is a typical hopper dropper rig, and that's what we're going to be using here today on the bow. Yes, it is.
Huge fish. That's a beast.
And eat the dry right at the end of the day here. That's hilarious.
The little one too. That's awesome. Yeah, try and get him up on the.
Nice.
That's way funny.
Oh, it drops off right there. Careful. That's it. Slide him over. Nice, 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 nice. Scoop him up.
Boat launch fish.
That's the way to end the day there.
That's the way to end the day.
Well done, Colin. Boy, we had pulled over and
I'll take
said,
luck
that's
any
it, boys,
day.
and
Exactly.
all of a sudden fish on.
Oh, just
Oh, beauty too.
beauty fish.
Look at that guy. See if he'll behave. Oh yeah. Okay, fish. There we go. There we go. Now he's behaving. Are you ready? I'm gonna let you slide out.